Hi, this is Jorge here at Digital Imaging at Nebraska Furniture Mart. We're here today to show you the Canon M50, their brand new mirrorless camera. So here first, once you open it, the first thing you're gonna see is your warranty information card. Second, you're gonna get your owner's manual. It's gonna come in 3 different languages for you. In here, you'll have another registration card for an online photo album for free. Now for the good stuff. So here we have the Canon strap. In here, we'll have the lens that comes with the kit, which is going to be the 15 to 45 millimeter. On the bottom here, we'll have the rechargeable battery. In here, you also get the charger for the battery. And here you'll get the brand new Canon M50. So with the new Canon M50, this is their new mirrorless camera. Extremely compact, comes with a 24 megapixel sensor. You can now record 4K at 24 frames per second on this camera. This one's also going to take 10 frames per second. You're also going to get 143 autofocus points on this. Touchscreen directly on the back here. This camera uses their new style of lenses, which are called EFM lenses. If you did like, or if you previously had a Canon camera and wanted to use EF and EFS lenses, they do sell an adapter for it. It's a simple kind of just click and go with the camera. Now I'll show you kind of how to do it with these. This is the 15 to 45 millimeter lens. Pretty simple. Same as all the other lenses if you have a previous Canon camera. If not, all you have to do is just connect. There's a white dot here. Plug it into that white dot. And you'll hear a click there. Once the click is there, you'll notice. Also, battery installation is down here. Pretty simple too on this one. All you have to do is just make sure that you take the battery out, obviously out of your package. Make sure your connection is on the right location. Pop that in. And again, once you hear that click, it's secure in there. You also have your SD card slot right in there, and that's where you will store all your photos in. Now, once the battery is in, you can turn it on. You'll be able to manipulate your whole system right here on the touchscreen. Once you unlock your screen, now you're able to go through all your settings, kind of just directly from here, touchscreen. And then once you're kind of in there, you can all just go in here. Your viewfinder here is automatic. There's no buttons to press for the viewfinder. All you have to do is just put your face up to it, and it'll automatically shut off your screen and turn on your viewfinder for you. If you like the new Canon M50 or want to see any other Canon products, please visit us at our stores here in Omaha, Kansas City, or Texas. Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.